Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I am Arif. I am CEO of the Garuda Poniek team. Have you ever thought about this? In resource careful country like ours, nearly 20% of Indonesia children still struggle with stunting. On the other hand, every harvest season, we produce over um, 50 million tons on corn cobs. The usually just end up as the waste. Uh, that that is why we create eco grain. We make high fiber instant product that is not only healthy but also eco-friendly. We transform coconut reduce and the corn cobs to high value nutrients and comfortable price. For us, this is not just a business. It is a mission for Indonesian food security. Slide two. I'm not doing I'm not doing this alone at a Garuda Pony. I'm supported by an amazing team. As the CEO, focused on the strategy, vision, and building partnership with with the government, especially for the Makan Bergizi Gratis program, like MBG. Do we have Rio? Our CEO, we ensure technical processing of turning water into smooth, safe fiber works perfectly. And finally, Liana, our CFO, who keeps our finance efficient without compromising on quality. Together, we are ready to run to turn this idea to a reality. Sorry, slide three. The problem is green nutrient food is often too expensive. That's why stunting and anemia rates remain high. But look at the opportunity. We have over 15 million tons of corn waste every year that goes to waste. EcoGrant takes the opportunity. We upcycle the waste using special technology to make the fiber smooth and safe for two decades. And secondly, we cut down expensive raw material costs by using the local resource that are like in front of us. Next, for mission and business model, our vision is to be the pioneer of curricular nutrient in Indonesia. If we talk about number, this is if we promising our production cost in only uh, 4,000 rupiah per unit, and we sell it at uh, 6,000 rupiah. They give us a solid 30% margin. Finally, EcoGrant has an NVP of 2 billion rupiah with an ERR of 67%. Even better of investor, we project a payback period of the 2 months. We are focusing on the B2G market through the catalog to supply national programs. And we also reselling familiar through retail store. And slide 5, our plan is very clear. In the first 3 months, we focus on BPOM and halal certification. And next, by month 6, we will launch our pilot program, and within a year, we aim to be full integrated into the national government produce arrangement system. And investing eco grant means investing in a healthier future for Indonesian children and a clear environment. Let's build a self-sufficient Indonesia together.
Next is a source of product. So what makes EcoGreen strong is not only the product itself, but the ecosystem behind it. Our key ingredients are sourced locally from East Java agro-industry byproducts and certified food-grade supplier. We directly upcycle coconut residue and corn cob fiber to material underutilized that still contain valuable nutritional potential. Then we enhance them through strategic fortification using premium inputs such as skim milk, soy, and micronutrient premix to ensure our product is not only sustainable but also clinically meaningful. Beyond sourcing, we are building institutional integration. We align with regulatory and health related stakeholders, including compliance pathway for food safety, nutrition standard, and distribution readiness. This is important because for us, sustainability is not enough. It must also be safe, scalable, and trusted. From, from an economic perspective, this model reduces raw material costs, improves supply continuity, and creates a circular value chain. In short, EcoGrain is not just sourcing ingredients. We are building a zero waste nutrition ecosystem. Now let's look at the product itself. EcoGrain is a high fiber fortified instant porridge designed to support child and maternal nutrition. Our formulation combines four strengths. First, carbohydrates and fiber base. Pre-glutinous rice flour blend with 15% coconut dregs and 5% corn cob fiber to provide sustained energy and good friendly dietary fiber. Second, protein power from a balanced mix of food grade skim, milk, and roasted soybean flour to support growth and development. For the third, the fat system refined palm oil and soy lecithin to improve energy density, stability, and palatability. And for the fourth is the micronutrient shield from the 15 component vitamin and mineral premix, including iron, zinc, volatile, vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, iodine, and others. They are developed to address common nutritional vulnerabilities linked to anemia and stunting. Our production flow is intentionally practical and scalable, from sourcing, pre-treatment, standardization to dry blending, microfortification, homogenization, quality control, packaging, and distribution. This means EcoGrain is not just nutritionally designed, it is manufacturing ready, distribution ready, and built for a real world implementation. And for the marketing strategy is built around both impact and adoption. In terms of segmentation, we focus on vulnerable groups, pregnant women at the risk of anemia and stunting, children aged 6 to 24 months, families in high stunting regions, and public health institutions such as PGN and Puskesmas or Posyandu. Our primary target is B2G or business to government, especially through Indonesian MBG program and institutional procurement channels. This gives EcoGrain strong potential for scale because public nutrition programs require affordable, compliant, and practical food solution. Our secondary target is business to customer or B2C, especially health conscious mother looking for convenient and nutritious product for their families. In positioning, EcoGreen stand out as an affordable, high fiber, fortified instant porridge made from zero waste agro byproducts. It's not only sustainable but also purpose built for nutrition intervention. For the 4P prospection, our product is just at hot water 100 gram sachet with high fiber and 15 micronutrients. Our price is competitive with low production cost and room for both institutional and retail margins. Our play strategy combines government procurement, online marketplace, offline community distribution, and healthcare link channels. And our promotion focus on nutrition education, community sampling, healthcare collaboration, and integration with government feeding programs. So our go-to-market is clear. Start with institutional trust, then expand through consumer adoption. EcoGreens offer three unique advantages. For the first is zero waste innovation, the second is a science-backed fortification, and the third, the purpose-built relevant. The impact goes beyond the product. On the social side, EcoGreen supports stunting prevention during the critical first 1,000 days of life. It's help families access nutrients that matter most when growth and development are vulnerable. On the environmental side, every ton of eco grain produced help upcycle around 150 kilograms of agro byproducts that would otherwise be discarded. On the economic side, we create added value for local farmer, corn producer, and coconut processing communities in East Java. And on the public health side, we bridge nutrition and community care by working through channels such as Puskesmas and Posyandu. So, EcoGrain is not just a food product, it is a circular nutrition solution with measurable impact across health, environment, and local livelihoods.
Okay, next is about market structure. From a market structure perspective, EcoGuen operates in the instant baby food market, which is currently dominated by well-known brands such as Nestle Cerelac or Soon, which generally offer higher price products. However, most of these products still rely on conventional raw materials and don't really emphasize sustainability. This creates an opportunity for EcoGuen to enter the market as more affordable nutrition and sustainability alternative. And for the market trend, in terms of market trends, consumers are increasingly shifting toward healthier, more natural, and environmentally friendly products. Parents today are also more aware of the importance of proper nutrition for the babies. This leads to a growing demand for instant baby food that is not only practical but also nutritious and sustainability. And next, for its distribution flow, we have both B2C and B2B. In B2C, we sell directly to customers through marketplace and social media, allowing us to reach a wider audience efficiently. And for B2B, which is business for business, we collaborate with partners such as Posyandu, local health centers, clinic, and baby store, or we call it as a B2G, business for government. This is important because it helps us build credibility and trust, especially among parents who rely on health recommendation. By combining B2C and B2B strategies, we are able to expand our market reach while strengthening long-term customer relationship. Next, we analyze about the competitor. In terms of competitors, there are products like Super Bubur and Quaker Oats. Super Bubur mainly targets general consumer with several instant porridge, while Quaker Oats is positioning as a healthy food but not specifically designed for baby nutrition. This means there is still a gap in the market for products that are specifically designed for babies, and EcoGren filled this gap by focusing on baby nutrition while also using local and sustainability raw material. This gives EcoGren a unique competitive advantage. Next, we have analyzed about the financial projection. From a financial perspective, EcoGren shows very strong potential. The net present value is approximately 2.24 billion rupiah, which indicates that the business generates significant value. The internal rate of return is 67.46%, which is far above the discount rate. This shows very attractive investment opportunity. In addition, the payback period is very quickly. It's around 20.5 months. Its very initial investment can be recovered very quickly. The annual net cash flow is about 1.02 billion rupiah that indicates strong and stable cash generation. It's about cost structure. In terms of cost structure, the main components include raw material, production, labor, and packaging. EcoGreen focuses on using local and low-cost raw material, especially agro-industrial byproducts. This allows us to maintain efficient production costs while achieving strong profit margins. So we are not only competitive in price but also financial sustainability. And next is feasibility conclusion. Based on this all the financial analysis, and the financial result, EcoGreen can be considered highly feasible and profitable. Why? Because the combination of high return, fast payback period, and strong cash flow indicate low financial risk. This means the business is not only attractive but also realistic and ready to be implemented. With strong market potential, growing trends, and clear distribution strategy, and a unique competitive position, EcoGreen is not only an innovative product but also a sustainability solution for improving baby nutrition in Indonesia. We believe EcoGreen has great potential to grow and create both economic and social impact. EcoGreen is the next step for Indonesia to be better nutrition. Thank you.